When 8-year-old Aaron walked into that courtroom, nobody expected what he was about to say to the judge. His mother, Sarah, faced eviction after losing her job during the pandemic. With no money for a lawyer and the hearing just minutes away, little Aaron tugged on his mom's dress and whispered something that made her gasp. As they entered the courtroom, the judge looked down and asked, "Ma'am, where is your legal representation?" That's when 8-year-old Aaron stepped forward, straightened his tiny shoulders, and declared with the confidence of a seasoned attorney, "Your Honor, I'm my mom's lawyer today." The entire courtroom fell silent. The judge's stern expression slowly melted into something nobody saw coming. What happened next restored everyone's faith in humanity. The judge didn't just dismiss the case. He did something that changed Aaron and his mother's lives forever. And when you hear what Aaron said that convinced the judge, you'll understand why this story went viral worldwide. Watch until the end to see the judge's incredible response that left everyone in tears.